Welcome everyone, it's Enrico Janko, TeamAlliance. What day is it? Saturday, it's about 9:30. It's late, it's not late, but I'm a little tired. Been running around all day. But I still wanted to hop on these charts and do some practicing, get about 20 or 30 trades in tonight. I always like to stay on my practice game while everyone is not doing that, right? Because it's all about making money. I know there's a lot of people in trading, they're not really in it, I don't think, to make money. I think a lot of times they're in it just to solve the puzzle. You know, they do a lot of different strategies, they mark up a lot of different charts, but they don't make too many profits. And we're trying to make profits, so I think when you're trying to make profits, you want to have every edge possible. I was looking at where the market ended Friday, and it happened to end right on one of my significant lines right here, that yellow line. But something I do anyway, I like to mark where the market ends every week, just so I can see where it starts. And it's funny, where that market ends up, it'll go there again, and it's great to see what type of action is around that line where the market stops. I'll be looking at this line right here in this area, because what I see, my perspective tells me that it's a lot of people were right here selling into this. And then on the other side, you see a lot of people buying into this. It's pressure on both sides. So I'm looking for that. I'm looking for it to start out, and I want to see what side has the advantage in the beginning. And all I have to do then is wait for the people on the opposite side that were wrong to start doing the opposite. So what I mean is, if I'm looking at this right here, this price level, when the market starts again, suppose it starts out on a rally, it's going up, right? All I have to do is sit here and wait for the market to go up, and then these people that were stuck in the trade, they eventually going to have to get out the trade. So you'll see that by an increase in buying. So I'll see this leg increase and then another leg after this. So it'll be a nice two-legged rally as people have to leave this trade if it starts to rally. If it's the opposite, if the bears win. The bears start out winning when all those that were buying finally can't take it no more. They'll have to leave the trade, and it'll add more selling pressure. All right, it's just little things that I look for. All right, basically, I said all that, and all that really meant was that I'm going to look and see what the market does around this line, pretty much. Whether people are buying or selling, I just want to know what people are doing around this line, and when it's my shot, I take my trade. All right, that's just one of the simple trades that I'll probably have for the week. All right, because I see where the market kind of starts from, and I can gauge the reaction of who's stronger, the bulls or the bears. It'll probably end up being a nice, simple trade like that. And these are just little things to look out for, because this same line, when the market comes back to this line again, like at some point during the week, like Wednesday or Thursday, the market's going to have moved, and at some point it's going to come back to this line probably. All right. And when it comes back to that line, it's going to have some type of reaction through that line. Either it's really going to bust through that line or it's going to fade the line. All right. And you're able to gauge those actions and take trades that are profitable because of the actions. All right. And once again, it's not something we just act on randomly. We anticipate a move on this line, and then we act on it once we got confirmation. And confirmation is always price. The price is leading. All right. So we're always looking to the future on price. Price is what's leading us. And we're making good trades based on when people are in pain. That's how a lot of my trades are. My trades are coming when a lot of people in the spot Forex, they got to get out the market. All right. You got to remember, every candle is people above the candle and below it that are taking trades from their perspective. All right. And when the candle moves, the side that chose wrong is uncomfortable. And at some point, they got to get out their trades. And when they get out their trades, they increase the probability of the opposite happening, that the candle, whatever they got to get out, if they're selling, they got to get out, they got to start, they have to buy to get out the trade. All right. So you're going to get more of a rally on the opposite side, as I just explained. But like I said, all of this is to say, watch those significant points. You can get nice trades off of those type of lines. All right. Just something to look for. Just something to look for. When I see things, I just like to point them out as a reminder of how looking for selective trades is going to be very helpful for you. You don't want to just hop into the market just because you see a point. Like, you might open up your computer and be right here in this area and say, all right, I'm ready to trade. Well, yes, you can do that, and you might win, but you might have to hold your chest because of the tightness of how close you might be to your strike. I'd rather take trades where I win easily. All right. So it's just a little information for you. I'm going to take my trades and do my practice right now. Like I said, I'll take about 20 or 30 of them and keep myself sharp. I'll go to sleep dreaming about price action and how it sets up. So I'll be ready for you guys Sunday, because I know some guys out there trying to get into my pocket, and I'm not going to let it happen. All right? I'll see you soon. TeamAlliance, you want to learn some more about this stuff, just keep watching the videos. Shoot me a comment, question, whatever. I'll see you guys real soon.